Hi guys, in today's video we will be talking about external threats, and I'm pretty excited that you are continuing this course and you are gaining knowledge to become a digital forensic specialist or examiner. So previously we have talked about external threats, and you haven't looked into that, then you can go on my YouTube channel to all in the playlist of digital forensics, and you will find about all the details over there. So today we will be talking about external threats. By name, if you can see that external threats relate to investigate the incidents which are external to the organization and which are happening from outside the organization to the organization. It is like attacking on the organization servers, or it is hacking websites or passwords. So when we are talking about external threats, we term those person as outsiders to the organization, and these person can commit any illegal act or intrusion from the outside of the organization. So similarly, there are some person who visit our organization to conduct the any threat or illegal act or theft of the data. So those person are also called outsiders. So any person who is not related to that organization will be considered in this slot. So when we are talking about external threats, there are a lot of external threats to the organization, but we will go only into the threats which are related to the organization and which are related to the digital forensics. So when we are talking about digital forensics in this technology era, the external threats are too much to the organization. Like hacking organizations websites is very common. Most of the time we are having attacks on daily basis on different websites. There is theft of data from servers of organizations. There is hacking the organization emails, phishing attacks, spamming attacks. Then there is social engineering, like making up fake accounts over the internet, and those accounts are not related to the organization, making fake accounts of the employees. Then there is another important thing, like we are taking our laptops and smartphone from the organization to the home, and when we are taking from the organization to the home, there is some data related to the organization on those laptops and those systems. So if anything happened to our system or our smartphone, or there is some virus, there is some recording, or there is some hacking to that data, so basically that will also be considered to the external threat to the organization. So when we talk about the external threat, I will say that organization should secure their servers, their emails, their websites, and along with that they should also do something to secure the employees laptops, employees smartphones. Like the organizations can buy a bulk amount of antivirus licenses, and they can give to the organization persons, and organization can put or can make it compulsory for the organization employees to use only legal software, because most of the time illegal software comes with the injection. Illegal software or crack software are doing something at the back end which we don't know, and they are collecting some amount of data. They are eating the hard disk space, usually happens a lot, and they are attacking your system all the time. So these are the external threats to the organization which are very important to be controlled, and which can cause a greater loss to the organization, because if a organization website is hacked, then a lot of amount of data can be stolen. So most of the time we have seen that contact numbers, telecom data has been stolen, or some kind of email addresses has been stolen. So these all things are very important for the organization to secure. So this video talked about the external threats, and I hope so you understood the what are the external threats and what are the consequences. So this video was up to here. Like and subscribe to my channel and share this free knowledge to all the people. Thank you.